Art, Poetry, and the Library. Welcome to Ruby Galvez RL. For a long time, I worked as a technical writer and editor in the sciences, so everything had to be precise. But in my 40s, I became a librarian and started my own catering business. Suddenly, I had the freedom to explore art, go to exhibits, and finally learn how to self-publish my own books. But then I hit a wall, and this wall, it's called imposter syndrome. I started feeling like a tryhard. I looked at other artists and felt frustrated that my work wasn't good enough. Then, in 2023, I just stopped creating. I put my brush pens and paints on indefinite hiatus. But recently, something changed. I realized that I don't need anyone's permission to be an artist. I don't need to art for approval. I just need to do it for myself. I've learned to find inspiration everywhere again. In a song, a poem, or a book I found on a library shelf. I am an empath, so it doesn't take too much to trigger my feelings. So now I'm finding the courage to start over, to conquer stage fright and to express myself freely. This is my journey into art, poetry, and the library. I'm so glad you're here to walk this path with me.